Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. So this week we have requests from a community member, and I believe I'm pronouncing her name correctly, but please forgive me if I didn't quite get it. I believe it's pronounced Swapnil. And she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt." Hi Swapnil. "I'm a surgeon by profession, so always busy, but I do enjoy your inspirational videos. Thank you. I was wondering if you can teach me how to make something like this for my gazebo decor." Well, Swapnil, not only are we going to show you how to create it, but we're going to show you how to create it on a budget. Believe it or not, each one of these orbs is under $16. As a matter of fact, it's $15.40 to be exact. I cannot wait to show you how we created this lighted hanging orb decor. All right, let's get started. So, in order to create our orb, we're going to use two 8-inch wooden embroidery hoops. We're going to go ahead and unscrew and take them apart. You really only need 3 of the 4 hoops to make this orb. So, you can just put the other one aside. You need one of them that has the actual adjusting screw on it. And you're going to simply put them in place, tighten the screw exactly how you want it, and then we're going to add hot glue to the seams. It's really, really simple. Trust me, you can do it. So first, you're going to intertwine them, which is basically placing one inside the other. Then you're going to tighten the screw that's on top, and then go ahead and add hot glue into the seams of each one, giving it at least 10 minutes to set up. Once you've given the hot glue time enough to set up on the top, you're going to repeat those same steps at the bottom. Now that the glue is completely dry, it's time for us to create our hanger for our orb. We're going to do this by removing that very same screw at the top, and we're going to use those same holes to loop our twine through, creating our hanging system. Now let's create our base that we're going to attach our orb to. We're going to take our 3x4 styrofoam cube, and we're going to first cut it in half right down the middle, and then we're going to trim it out so that our battery pack for our fairy lights can rest on it evenly. Be sure to pay attention to what side you're gluing to the styrofoam. You want to be able to get to the batteries to replace them, as well as be able to turn them on, the on and off switch. Give your hot glue about 10 minutes to set up before attaching your orb using hot glue and floral pins. Add a little hot glue to the ends of the floral pins for just that extra touch of security. Now that our construction is done, let's start decorating. You're going to pin down the excess wire for your fairy lights using floral pins. Be sure not to breach the plastic wire. That is going to be the conduit to light your lights. Then simply wrap them around. Take your time, you can do it. All of your orbs completely and try to space them evenly. Pin down the excess lights right into your foam base using floral pins, being sure not to penetrate the wire. Be sure to cover the hardware with 2 sets of leaves and a rose, just for that extra special touch. Well, Swap Mill, what do you think? Aren't they stunning? I love how they turned out. Now, you will notice that I created another orb using 6-inch embroidery hoops with all the same steps for that extra dimension and just a little touch of whimsical. I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And if you click on that little bell, we will send you a special note the moment it is up. I absolutely love hanging out with you guys. And if you would like to send us a comment, some words of encouragement, by all means, we love them. And if you have a question for us, that's what we're here for, to answer your questions. Just go ahead and drop us a comment and we will be more than happy to help you. If you would like to follow us on our other social media, we would absolutely love it. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, please do it. They pay you to shop and it's absolutely free. You simply go to our description, click on the link below, sign up for your Ebates rebate account. Whenever you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases for a check in the mail at the end of the month. Don't forget to also check out our MissPlanIt store. We have some fantastic products on there. We are so excited about how many of you have been helped by them. It's just encouraging us to create more things to help you create the DIY wedding and or event of your dreams. Right now we have 4 products in our store, and they are our DIY bride wedding planner that has everything you could ever think of that you need, from organizing to budgeting to planning to hints, everything you could think of in that binder just for you. We also have our Maid of Honor planner, and it is an awesome way to bless your Maid of Honor with step-by-step details, planning guides, and budgeting of everything she needs to do to help her bride have the day of her dreams. In addition to that, you can find our DIY project planner, and that's for all of you who are preparing those parties, from retirement parties to birthdays to quinceañeras to everything in between. So it's all there for you. And don't forget our dollar deal. And in our dollar deal right now, we have our DIY paper rose template, as well as a link to the video. So easy, so simple. All of these tools are there to help you. Simply click on the little icon or go to the link in the description to our MissPlanIt shop. We are just about out of time, so don't forget that the links to the supplies as well as the project costs are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will have all of the information at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got the supplies. We have them listed for you, both United States supplies as well as international supply list. We want to make it as simple as possible for you. Keeping it simple, if there's a project that we can help you with, go ahead and click on the link right there to our MissPlanIt.com website, which is pretty awesome. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It has blog posts and so much information, way more information than we can share here. And we have an awesome announcement coming about our website. Cannot wait to share it with you, but it'll be really, really soon. So you can click on that icon, find the project request tab, click on it, and fill out the simple steps. Please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. We also just want to thank you for hanging out with us. We have such a blast with you. Your ideas are so inspirational for us to be able to create and share with you and with others. Well, guys, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.